What's up guys, I'm SK and today I want to talk to you guys about my 30-day Fuel with Huel challenge. Alright, so if you guys don't already follow me on Instagram at s.k_fitme. Alright, now let's get into this. So the 30-day Fuel with Huel challenge is all about me trying to, change the way that I eat to get a better physique, if that makes sense. If you guys have not already heard about Huel, Huel is basically a meal replacement company, and they use all natural ingredients to create the products. And they use like stuff like protein, they use flax seeds, they use fibers, like all good stuff, good for your body. And the reason why I chose to go with this product is because I've done some research on it, and there are not a lot of good meal replacement products out there that you can use. You feel me? Like a lot of them probably are good, but they really taste nasty. I've already tasted this and it's amazing. Yeah, like I've heard a lot of good stuff about it. A lot of people have used it and they say that like their bodies are changing, they feel better and stuff like that. So it's making me wanna, like get into it, check it out and see what's going on with this. So for 30 days, I'm gonna be taking this meal replacement. I'm gonna take it 2 times a day. So maybe for like breakfast and for lunch, or maybe for like lunch and dinner. Basically, I'm doing this challenge to benefit you guys, right? A lot of people always ask me like, SK, what should I eat? I wanna build up, I wanna increase my muscle mass, or SK, I wanna cut down and cut down my weight. And they ask me if I'm keeping track of my calories, and I've been thinking about it. I don't really keep track of my calories. For the longest time, I just eat whatever I can get my hands on, and then spend 2 hours in the gym and work my butt off. That's how I stay in good shape. But when I think about it, if I can learn how to track my calories in an effective way, then I can cut down the amount of time that I work out and still maintain my look. So it would be me working smarter instead of working harder. You feel me? So that's why I want to use this Huel product. Okay? So when I first ordered Huel, I ordered it from Amazon. It came with 2 packets. It's 2 packets of these. It came with a booklet that kind of shows you what Huel is about. It shows you how to use it and stuff like that. And I'm not gonna go through the book, but I'm just gonna kind of point out a couple stuff that I think is very interesting. So with Huel, you can change up the taste of it. The taste is already pretty good. It tastes way better than the protein shake that I've been using. And it's not even a protein shake. You feel me? It's a meal replacement. So it tastes really good, but you can also change up the flavor. You can add mocha to it and get coffee and ice flavor. You can add frozen fruits to it. You can add peanut butter and curry to it. You can change up the flavor to whatever that you like. Okay, so that's already a big plus. So you're not gonna have that same mundane taste consistently. All right. Also, one thing that I love about Huel already is that you can keep track of your calories. So 3 scoops equals to 1 full meal. And 3 scoops, since 1 scoop is about 150 calories, 3 scoop is 450 calories. Okay, so you can have 3 scoops of this in the morning, and then you're already done breakfast. You can shake it up, drink it in 30 minutes. That's it. It's so easy to make it. All right. All you need is this. All right. When you buy Huel, it comes with like I said, the packets, and it comes with a water bottle. All right. All you need is about 400 milliliters of water right here, and then I'm gonna show you guys real quick how to. I'm gonna do a full meal, so I'm gonna put 3 scoops. So that's 1. That's 2. And that's 3. That's it. Shake for 10 seconds. And that's basically it. You can also blend it if you want. And you can increase or decrease your water based on how thick or light you want it. Alright, and that's basically it. The taste is amazing. It tastes so much better, 20 times better than protein shakes I already take. So I might just switch and just take Huel for so good. So it saves you time. Being a college student, I don't really have a lot of time to cook every single day. So this is a big plus for me. Alright, so, and then if you want to have like maybe like a quick snack, you can like put like 1 scoop in there, it's 150 calories. And so now I'm going to talk about how it's going to benefit you. Alright, I've already kind of touched on that. And the thing is, eating right is not an easy thing to do. It's kind of tough, especially if you've been eating a certain way for the longest time. So eating right is not easy, you know, in the get-go. But I feel like if you guys start with Huel, like it's gonna be like a very good transition for you into like a healthy lifestyle. And the thing about Huel is that you don't have to like instantly change how you eat. You can still eat the type of food that you're eating right now, but you can replace, maybe you start with one meal, start, you know, like instead of eating pizza or instead of eating like a burger, you know, like eat, you know, have like 3 scoops, you know, 1 meal of Huel a day. And then once you see how it's changing, you know, how it's helping you feel better, you know, like look better and stuff like that, you can increase the amount of meals that you replace it with. You feel me? So for you guys, I have a quick question. All right, if you're trying to build a house, would you know, if you're trying to build a house and you're trying to like set the foundation up before you even start building the house, would you rather use hay to do it? Would you rather use wood, right? Or would you rather use cement, right? Now, I'm not an architecture major, you know, I'm a business major, but I think it's pretty common sense for you to use cement as a foundation, because cement is what's going to hold the house or building together. It's the same thing when you're trying to like, you know, like change your physique. If you're trying to build more muscle, you need proteins, you need substance, you need fiber, you feel me? You need good things, good minerals and good vitamins to keep your body, you know, like looking the way you want to use it, to form and transform your body into how you want it to look. Alright, so the thing is, you don't have to start. Alright, just all I'm asking is that you just follow me on my journey. Alright, I'm gonna do this for 30 days. I'm gonna, you know, like have, you know, 2 meals. I'm gonna do at least 2 meals of Huel a day. I'm gonna try and post a video every 3 days to show you guys my progress. If you follow me on Instagram, I'm gonna post exactly what I'm eating during the day and exactly how I'm gonna post pictures of like how it's transforming my body. Alright, and I'm also gonna be working out with this as well. You can't just eat, you gotta also work out. So I'm gonna have a couple of videos I'm gonna be doing and posting up, a couple of workout videos. So make sure to stay tuned. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. And you know, I'm gonna keep you guys posted. Alright, let's do this thing.